Hey guys, it's me Khesyinii here. 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 Welcome back to my channel. And I'm really sorry guys that I didn't upload a real content last week and I just had to post shorts. I wasn't really feeling well, but I'm back with a whole new video and a very exciting one. I just received a PR box from Insider Mall. Wanna know what's Insider Mall? It's a place where you can get all kind of beauty products, from hair care, from skincare, makeup products, and all types of products. And they sent me a PR box, and I am so excited. Let's see what they have inside here. I can see snacks. This is just a box of Wonder World, like Wonderland box, just in one box. Yep, you can get it from BeautyInsiders, and I am so excited. First of all, I received a gift card from BeautyInsider, and they have a Facebook page and Instagram page. I'll link it down below, and you guys could definitely go and check them out. And yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see, it's perfectly packed and very colorful, very fun. And the first thing I received is a DHC, Japan's beauty brand. I received their 5-day special set, which comes in deep cleansing oil, mild soap, mild foaming face wash, deep moisturizing whitening lotion, and also olive virgin oil. I can't wait to try this set out. It looks like a best set for traveling. Next, I received this Deja Vu Mascara. Like, it's a lengthening mascara, not a volumizing one, but I can't wait to try this on. Look at the fiber brush they have. Really can't wait to try this on. Next, I received the Slinky Touch Self Spa Hair Remover. It contains moisturizing shea butter, honey, organic plant extract, and also the scent of jasmine and honey. Can't wait to try this. Yeah. Next, I received the Nuts Paris. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. It's a multi-purpose dry oil. So for anyone who has a very dry skin or less moisturizing skin, you can use this. This is not only for hair, it's for face and body as well. Like if you have back acne like me, this would definitely help, guys. And it's a spray format, so easy to apply. Next, I get the Purity from Face Republic SPF 50. I get Purity Sun Essence from Face Republic, and I can't wait to try since I'm out of stock of my sunscreen. This is gonna be my new sunscreen, and I'll give you guys feedback. Nextly, I received their vitamin B12 from the Potions. This looks so exciting. It's for your face, neck, and body, because not only your face need a vitamin, your body need too. So you can get yours now. Most exciting stuff is a lipstick from Beautyira. If I'm pronouncing it right, I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I know this founder is the most beautiful girl ever. So can't wait to try this lipstick out. Nextly will be Evian facial spray. I have tried this, and this is so damn perfect, guys. I love this. It really helps to moisture my face, and yeah, this really refreshes and help me with moisturizing my face. Next is face mask by Fake in Face. So this is after shower look face mask, which is hydrogel face mask, and this is their glow for skin sheet mask. Packaging is so cute, guys. Look at that, so cute. I can't wait to try this out. Next, I received a shampoo, which is super duper huge, from 333. I really struggled finding a very good shampoo for my hair, because I've been facing lots of hair fall recently and my hair have been very dry. The ends has been very dry. I can't even go trim it in the shop because of the MCO problem. The COVID-19 ain't reducing, so don't forget to stay home, stay safe, guys. This is definitely very terrible. Having case up to 15,000, up to 17,000, that's a very bad news, guys. I hope everyone is doing great out there, staying safe at home, and don't forget to get your stuff to pamper yourself from Beauty Insider, because they have a bunch of stuff there. So coming back to this is the 333 hair shampoo. It is a glass bottle, which you can definitely know the quality, and also it's an aromatherapy shampoo, and I can't wait to try this. Moisturizing and nourishing hair shampoo with sweet orange, geranium essential oil, honey and aloe vera extract, which is a very good element for your hair growth and your hair shininess, and which I really need now since my hair is having its own trauma. I hope this helps me fix my hair. And the last but not least from this beauty package is their bag. Their tote bag is so cute, guys. Can you see that? Hey Gorgeous by Beauty Insiders and Beauty Mom. Just bring this bag to the beach side, to anywhere you go. Definitely a very useful bag. So yeah, I'm gonna use this product in my daily life, and let's get into my daily routine. Not specified daily routine, it's just a day in my life using all Beauty Insiders product. Let's get into it. Hey guys, good morning. I'm so excited to use this product, so let's get bathing. First, I'm using 333 hair shampoo and Slinky Touch hair remover. I'm done. So let's get into face. So first of all, I'm using Dhc Deep Cleansing Oil. Don't forget to double cleanse, because our face needs double cleansing in order for it to not be clogged. So next, I'm using Dhc mild soap for the double cleanse. Look at it, it's so foamy, and I'm freshly done. Do not wipe roughly, just pat on your face. Now I'm using Faith in Face After Shower Look Face Mask. This really hydrates my skin. You guys can see the after result. After I put on this mask, I have to wait about 30 minutes and I can remove my mask after 30 minutes. And the result is superb, and I am in love. I'm massaging in through the serum and wait for it. Look at that. I'm using Evian facial spray to moisturize my face, blow drying with my hand, and massaging it through my face also. This is Dhc Whitening Lotion. This automatically gave a glow on my face. Just look at that shine, baby. After I apply my base makeup, for the makeup tutorial, go to my Instagram. So this is Deja Vu Mascara. I really loved it. And this is Beautyra lipstick. Last but not least, I'm using NARS Head, Body and Face Dry Oil. And look at that shine, guys. This is my outfit. Hey guys, thank you all so much for watching my video. And I hope you guys enjoyed my voiceover. I planned this video last minute because I have to upload it on Friday in my Instagram. So you guys can check out a shorter clip in my Instagram, and also this video will be explained fully on YouTube, which you guys just watched. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below what you guys want next. Most probably a cooking video. So you guys can comment down below what menu you guys want, and I will try to create for you guys. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next week video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.